Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can use top free survey tools with Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation tool by which you can automate your manual repetitive tasks. And today I am going to specifically talk about survey automations. So guys, many businesses and many people use surveys to gather information like client feedbacks, like some insights and user stories. So if you're also doing surveys, I have some really useful automations for you by which you can automate your survey related works. So let's see what we have. So the first automation we have is Google Forms to WhatsApp integration. Okay. And the second automation we have is Google Forms to Google Slides. And the third automation we have is Jot Form to multiple Google Sheets. And the fourth one is auto printing survey forms automation. And the last we have is Teleforms to Salesforce. So guys, here you can see we have used form applications for conducting different kind of surveys, and we have connected the forms with some other applications to automate the survey related works. Now I'm going to show you one by one the flow of all these automations. So let's start from the first. So the first automation we have is Google Forms to WhatsApp integration, and here we are connecting Google Form as the trigger app and WhatsApp as the action app in the automation workflow in such a way that whenever you are going to get a form submission, a WhatsApp message will be delivered to the person who have submitted the form automatically. So you can send any kind of message like the confirmation message that we have received your form submission. Okay. So you do not have to manually type the messages, and you do not have to manually send the messages one by one to all the form submitters. So it will save an immense amount of your time, and you can fast pace your survey process. Okay, so let's see what we have next here. So this is the next automation we have, Google Forms to Google Slides. So here we are connecting Google Forms with Google Slides applications in such a way that whenever you are going to get a form submission, a new slide will be created in Google Slide automatically. So guys, if you want to make any kind of presentations using the form submissions data, this automation is for you. And here you do not have to manually copy the data from the form submissions, and you do not have to manually create the slides. So it will save a huge amount of your time, and you can fast pace your survey processes. Okay, so let's see what we have next, guys. So this is really interesting automation we have. Jot Form, integrate Jot Form with multiple Google Sheets and manage your data effectively. So guys, here what we are doing, we have connected Jot Form with multiple Google Sheets. Okay, so here as and when you are going to receive any form submission, some specific kind of data will be delivered to specific Google Sheets, different specific Google Sheets. Okay. So here guys, you can use this automation, and you do not have to manually churn out the specific details from the form submission, and you do not have to manually fill the data into different spreadsheets. So it will happen automatically and save your time and improve your productivity. Let's see what we have next, guys. So this is another very useful automation. Here you can see when any user submits your survey form, automatically print the form along with the customer details or the form submitter details. So guys, here we are connecting a form application by which you can conduct the survey with Ezeep, which is a cloud printing application, guys. So you can connect your printer with Ezeep, and after that you can connect Jot Form with Ezeep in such a way that as and when you are going to receive a form submission, the printout of the form along with the submitter's detail will be printed out from your printer automatically. So you do not have to manually do this process, and you will get all the printouts one by one automatically of all the form submissions. Okay guys, so let's see what we have next here. So last but not least, here we have this automation, how to add teleform responses to Salesforce contacts. Okay, so here we have used teleforms to collect the details of our contacts or customers or leads, and as and when you are going to get a form submission, the person who have filled this form will be added as a contact in Salesforce CRM automatically. So guys, if you are into CRM tools and you are managing your customers using CRMs, this automation is for you. And guys, we have created dedicated videos on all these automation that I have shown you, and I have pasted the links of all the videos in the description, so you can watch those videos, learn how to automate your business processes, and you can start automating your surveys right now. Thank you so much for watching this video.